All right, welcome everybody. This has been a one of those days where a lot of news is taking place. I want to give people a little bit of time to hop on here, but this hasn't been a busy day. One of those busy days. I'm just looking at just today. Articles have hit my desk. Here's just a couple of them. We got in the cryptocurrency space. We got Litecoin ATMs proliferate globally. So as we've been talking about this past week or so, you might have seen myself, you might have seen Tim Miller and others talking about Bitcoin ATMs popping up all over the place. Well, now these ATMs are being converted to take other currencies as well, like Litecoin. So Litecoin ATMs proliferate globally. South Korea has now made Bitcoin legal. I've got here Roger versus would be a good thing about the Bitcoin if it were to split on August 1st. We've got Richard Branson. He is having, as I speak, a private blockchain summit on one of his private islands called Necker Island. Richard Branson and the Bitfury group is the Bitfury group hosting another exclusive. That means, me and you, we're not invited. We don't have enough money to be invited to that. But they're having a private retreat on his Necker Island, the third annual blockchain summit. Who you think's going to be there? Movers and shakers. We also have, I found this one very interesting. I'll release a video on this. Bankers outgrow legacy finance and join the cryptocurrency space. So just the first sentence of this is, as global regulator watchdogs eye cryptocurrency with increasing suspicion, bankers are continuing to retreat from legacy finance and embracing cryptocurrency and the whole digital token ecosystem. In other words, if you can't beat it, not just join it, but let's create it. Let's create it. So, the biggest news of the day, though, is the SEC has now determined they are going to regulate the cryptocurrency industry. So for those of us that are investors, marketers, are looking to go into this space, what does this mean for us? Is this a good thing or is this a bad thing? Well, it all depends on what your intent is. If your intent is going out there trying to create these scam companies to try to rob people blind, then it's a bad thing for you. That means you're going to be held accountable. That means you can't be stealing people's money and think you're just going to close the doors or people are going to lose financially because they're promoting these crap companies out there. You're going to lose your freedom. You're going to go to jail. So you're not just taking a risk with money, you're taking a risk with your freedom. So be careful on if you're going to start one of these crap Ponzi scheme companies or if you're going to participate in one of them and you're going to go out there and pitch it. Anybody remember Zeke Rewards? Do you want to know why Zeke Rewards got shut down? Even though they tried to show whatever type of marketing and products, just go post here, post there, advertise here. They were selling a security. The SEC is calling cryptocurrencies a security. Do you know why that's also a great thing? They're officially recognizing cryptocurrency as some form of currency that has value attached to it. You understand how big that is? It's like the government is saying, yeah, we value this as currency. You're moving real money. So we need to have a say-so. Another bad thing about this, though, is that it's gonna slow down innovation. Meaning companies out there that weren't able to go into the IPO space, initial public offering to raise money, figure they can do it through the ICO space, initial coin offering. They're going to be regulated in the U.S. They got to be registered. If you want to do business, anything with cryptocurrency. And what I mean by that is if you're telling people buy coins and we're going to double and triple your money and all this stuff, you got to be registered to do so. So any Ponzi crap, scam, MLM company talking about, Yeah, we about to launch our own new coin. Join and buy coins, and the coin's worth like 2 cents, and it may double to 4 cents next month. We're going to triple your money. Any of those businesses, all you have to do is ask this question. Are you registered with the SEC? If the answer is no, run. If they say we don't need to be registered, but they're still talking about buy our coin, it's illegal. It somehow is going to get shut down and somebody's going to jail because you're selling a security. Why I say it's going to hamper innovation is because the rest of the world is not beholden to the SEC. So they can do their initial coin offerings, and if you are an American citizen, you are not going to be able to participate in those ICOs. Because those businesses, here's what's going to happen. Those companies, if they want to do business in America, they have to let America know. They got to register. And it's a whole lot of paperwork. It's a whole lot of cost to them. So they're basically going to say, you know, we're not accepting American investors. That's what's going to happen. Or American companies are going to do their ICOs in a different country and not have it here in the United States. So it will stifle a little bit of our innovation. It is slowing us down. But it also is protecting us at the same time from all the scams and the crooks out there. So, what do you do? What can you do? Number one, you got to get educated. There's 3 industries, form of industries, in the network marketing space or the MLM space. I don't even look at cryptocurrency as an MLM space. If you're looking at it like that, you're already on the losing end. I look at cryptocurrency as long-term investment. And there's 3 ways you can profit in this. Number 1 is education. Education. Get educated about the industry. I represent a company that is all about education. We're not selling any coins. We're not doubling your coins. We're not creating a new coin. It is just getting educated on the industry. Only costs $39 a month. Take the free tour, teachmecrypto.net. So does it have to be registered with the SEC? We're not selling any coins. It's an education platform. We're not selling a security. The second industry is trading. So you might have known of Forex trading. You know, trading in the Forex, trading in worldwide currencies. Well, there's an entire industry of trading going on with the cryptocurrencies and all the currencies in it. You've got the blue chip coins, you've got the altcoins, and you're trading your coins. That's legitimate. Only thing that might come into question about any company that is offering trading is, again, the MLM side to it. You know, you got to get your lawyers, make sure you're lawyered up and you're doing things the right way. Make sure you're selling a product. Forex has been doing it in the MLM space. So that's you know, I cannot say with 100% certainty on you, depending on your company, whether you're doing it right or legally. I'm involved in one that I haven't promoted publicly for that same purpose, because I'm just not sure on how the SEC would view it. But trading your cryptocurrency is completely legit. There's 2, you can trade on your own or you can pay somebody to do it. Personally, I'd rather pay somebody to do it. It's like looking at those charts and graphs is speaking a different language to me. I don't have time to look at that chart all day long. I'm going to pay somebody to trade my stuff for me. Just like, you know, on the Forex stock market. The third thing is mining of the coins. Investing in assets that produce the coin itself. This is where a lot of people that I respect are completely clueless about. They have no idea. Or better yet, no full understanding of the concept. See, I cannot unlearn what I have already learned. I can't unlearn it. I can't go back and stick my head in the sand. I might do a separate Facebook Live on what's the difference between buying coins and mining for coins. I'll speak on it just briefly. But when you buy a coin, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's Ethereum, at that moment you're purchasing it at whatever value is on the market at that moment. So if you buy a Bitcoin at 2,500, that price, that value may go down and may go up. It can go down to 1,900 like it did 2 weeks ago. Then it can go back up to 2,800 like it did a couple of days ago. So your best bet is, you're buying a coin, you want to hold on to it, and you're playing the long game on it. Experts are saying that one Bitcoin 5-10 years from now may be worth $500,000 a coin. I am seeing billionaires talking about being worth $1 million per coin because it is finite. There's not an infinite amount of coins out there. It's like gold, it's finite. And as the demand continues to go up, the value of it's going to continue to rise. We just can't predict what that value is going to be over the next couple of years. So that's one way to do it. But you're beholden to the value of the coin. Why not buy a machine that's going to mine you coin every single month, regardless of the value of the coin? Now you're not just sitting on a coin, you have constant coins coming in. Same way with trading. If you're going to trade the coin, to make more coins. But why not mine for it? Do you want to buy the golden egg? Or do you want to buy the golden goose that's popping out eggs every single month? Got to think with common sense here. You're buying an asset that's producing coins every single month. Another thing, if you understand the back industry of cryptocurrency, mining is the backbone of the industry. Mining is what's creating the blockchain. Mining is what's solving the riddle, solving the mathematical problems that's putting together the hashes and the blockchains and all that together. And they're being rewarded with coins. Mining will never go away. Even when all the coins have been mined, mining will still take place because it's creating and extending the blockchain. Think about when companies like Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, when they all got started, they paid employees with the offer of getting stock. The stock wasn't worth anything at the time. So people say, yeah, don't give me a salary, give me stock. What happened a couple of years later? The janitors and the secretaries became millionaires overnight. Do you think Microsoft, Facebook, do you think they're offering stock right now as an alternative? No. Same right now with the whole blockchain, with the mining of the coins. You're getting rewarded in the coin itself. Once those coins are up, that's not going to happen anymore. So first and foremost, get educated. Be careful of companies that, and I'm not saying it's wrong. There's companies out there that they're launching their own coin because they've got different use what we call it, real use properties that they're trying to put. You've got weed companies offering coins. I see one today about in the medical field offering a coin. E-commerce offering a coin. They've got real world applications behind their business, and they're launching a coin to fund it, the ICOs. But then when you've got an MLM component attached to it, major red flag. And it makes sense to do so because MLM, word of mouth is much better than advertising to get the word out. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just a red flag to make sure that they're doing it the right way. Are they registered with the SEC? And they better know you are selling security if you're trying to sell a coin in the United States. This is the United States we're talking about now. Personally, I am staying away from any company that is doing that. Not because I think they're wrong. I just think there's too much risk involved. Like any business, most companies go out of business in a few years. Why am I going to invest all my money in something that might go out of business? However, if those companies succeed, all of those people become millionaires. I am not a licensed financial analyst to be giving you financial advice. That's my disclaimer. I am just sharing with you my opinion on what the SEC is doing, how I think it's going to affect the industry, and what you can do to profit from this. First, get yourself educated. $39 a month. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars to get a course in college. And they are offering those courses now. $39 a month just to learn about the industry. Safe Zone. There you can learn if you want to trade. You'll have knowledge if you're approached about a company or what to do. You'll know where to do with your wallets. Open up a wallet. You know what the blockchain is. You'll know the language. The worst thing is to be ignorant and then, I'm going to spend $10,000 somewhere. And then you want to cry bloody and scream bloody murder when it gets shut down or goes out of business or an owner runs away with all your money. All of the above is happening right now in companies. So education is the key. And it's only $39 a month. In fact, tonight is cut off. Take the free tour. teachmecrypto.net. And then, now that you're taking your baby steps, then you can go into the trading and the mining of it. Speaking of mining, the company I represent, these machines cost $3,200. We only have 2 days left. The price goes up on Friday. Have your own printing press. Shoot me a message if you want to know how to get involved with that and get your own machine and have it working for you passively while you sleep. Pumping out coins every single month. And I'm not talking about coins that are made up. I'm talking about blue chip coins. Ethereum. So thank you guys for listening. This is Brandon Ivey. Tonight, shoot me a message. There is going to be at about 8 p.m. Eastern Time a presentation, a hangout, talking about the education. We've got new modules that's launching. Tonight, we're going to talk about the security, how to make sure that your Bitcoins and altcoins and everything is secure. You're not going to lose them. So that's tonight. See you all. Oh, that is. Just send me a message. I'll give you the link for that if you want to know what it is. See you all later. Bye-bye.